Yo guys, what's up? Investing Money Man here. How's it going? All right, so here we're gonna look through my little portfolio I have. I have a little bit of money in here. You can see right here I have some stocks. This is mostly dividend stocks with a little bit of growth sprinkled in. You can see ET. That pays a pretty good dividend. 13.17%. It's pretty good. Oh, this one is Shell Midstream, oil and gas exposure. You can see 16% yield. Natural gas, NGL. It's a pretty high yield, although I don't know if I've got that yet. Pretty interesting. AT&T, it's a big favorite. Stock's been going down recently, but it's okay. Just buy more. So the dividend will continue to grow. That's awesome. You can see how some of these shares are fractionals. So every time the dividend gets paid, you get a fractional share if you can't afford a whole share. The other part of that I have here in this portfolio is a little bit of crypto. You can see Bitcoin has really taken a real dive, $10,000 cut or so over the last day or two. Ethereum's really taken a hit. You can see I have some Dogecoin that actually I've done pretty well on. Go into the detail screen. You can see I got it a while ago. Average cost, I wish I would have had a whole lot more, but I did take some profit. You can see I have a few market sells in there, but 2,000% return, can't beat that. It's pretty good. And then I'm watching a couple other stocks that I want to get into, but the main objective here is just to introduce you guys to my channel and a few of the stocks I'm going to be talking about. So my main objective here is to create passive income and build wealth for retirement. So I plan to do that through this portfolio. I have a couple other small portfolios that I'll show you. So trading cryptocurrencies, when I first started doing it back in 2018, I wasn't really aware or very savvy with crypto. So that's why I started trading it here on Robinhood. Since then, I've learned you can't really move the cryptocurrency off of Robinhood. There's not like a wallet. You can't like send and receive cryptocurrency. So I'll be showing you a couple other cryptocurrency platforms as well. But one of the good things here is up here you can see free stock, right? 100% chance to get free stock each time one of you guys signs up. So you'll get free stock, I'll get free stock. So I'm going to share the link with everybody. Look underneath the description video here, and it'll be good. All right, guys. So one of the other things, ExxonMobil, I've been investing in them for a while in one of my other portfolios. So it has really taken a big hit. You can see over the last 5 years, this used to be an $80 stock, $90 stock. But it really got hit hard back last year. You can see it dropped from 70 down to 40 something. So yeah, it's gotten hit pretty hard with all the oil and gas. Nobody was driving. Everybody was staying home because of COVID. So it's starting to recover. Oil is recovering. They're talking about $100 a barrel oil now. So that's kind of crazy. You can see the dividend yield here is 6.138%. That's pretty good. So you can see 52-week low, $30, 52-week high, $57. So we're right there. You can see I only have a couple shares. I just bought it recently. I lost a little bit. It's okay, I'll just buy some more later. It's a really good deal. Alright, guys. So I encourage you to just start investing dollar cost average, which means basically just buy a little bit each month. You take $100 a month and you invest it over the next 40 years, you'll be a millionaire. And maybe I'll do a little video on that. That's a good idea. Alright, guys. That's all I have for now. Thanks for watching.